गाइस वेलकम बैक टू दिस एमबीए पॉडकास्ट। ये पॉडकास्ट होगा एमबीए मार्केटिंग को लेके। मेरे साथ एमबीए मार्केटिंग के दिग्गज प्रोफेसर बैठे हैं। इनका नाम है डॉक्टर शर्मा सर। सर वेलकम ऑन बोर्ड बाय द वे, एंड अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके। सर इज अ मार्केटिंग फैकल्टी एट वीबीएस, विवेकानंद बिजनेस स्कूल। सर आई एम रियली इंटरेस्टेड टू नो कि मतलब सर की प्रोफाइल देखो, ये इतनी बड़ी प्रोफाइल है, 30 साल का सर को एक्सपीरियंस है। सर मैं चाहता हूं कि आप थोड़ा बताएं कि एमबीए मार्केटिंग में अगर बच्चों को एक्सीलेंट कुछ करना है तो क्या प्रोफाइल्स है, क्या बच्चों को स्किल सेट हासिल करना चाहिए अगले 2 साल में, ये थोड़ा बढ़िया से बता दीजिए।
So when you look at entire marketing, okay, so there are two views. One is a traditional view and one is a latest view.
अच्छा.
And since this new generation is looking, I mean, this is the new generation. But I have to give the view of the traditional and I have to give the view of the latest one also.
Please, sir, please.
So I will not start with the traditional one. And since I mean I am bit I like technology, so I'll say today marketing is been infiltrated by technology.
Right, sir.
Not only marketing. If you look at any function,
anything, sir,
infiltrated by marketing. So if students have to make a career in marketing, one is the traditional way. You go for those routine things. Of course, routine means it is not bad. But then there are traditional roles of product management, brand management, which again will survive throughout.
Yes, sir.
I mean, these are the core functions which you cannot wish away.
Yes, sir.
But this product management, brand management, then traditional advertising, okay, then selling and selling and negotiation, your marketing research. This analytics,
right?
Analytics, of course, I'll put in the new bucket because if you look at the new roles which are coming up, so in all these areas like product management. So today, when you talk about product management, you have to conceptualize the new product. So how you are going to do the research? So to do the research, you cannot go with the traditional way. You can go, but that will be very inefficient.
So sir, ये जो स्किल सेट होता है ना बच्चों को, प्रोडक्ट में किसी को बहुत अच्छा करना है, सेलिंग में किसी को अगर बहुत अच्छा करना है, तो ये इंप्रूव कैसे कर सकता है बच्चा 2 साल में?
अब ये इंप्रूव करने के लिए 2 तरीका. You have to go through that hard grind way. You have to get the simulation. Unless and until you really go to the simulation, one simulation which we all know, and that is the best one, is you really go out in the market and learn.
Right, hands-on experience.
Hands-on experience. I mean, there is no excuse for that.
Right.
But when you come to a good B school, like our B school, or other good B schools that are top-rated, there the professors, the entire, I mean, the ecosystem is created where that environment is simulated. So you have got these role plays, you have got the simulations. One of the way how we simulate is we send you to those companies like your capstone projects, your SIPs. So students go there, they get a sense of what is happening. Then they come in the classroom and the professor.
कितना जरूरी है बच्चों
of course. If you don't do this, of course you read the books.
Sir, एक इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन मैं आपको पूछूंगा. सेल्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, मतलब वो कंपनी के लिए बहुत जरूरी है.
यस.
एंड सेल्स के लिए ना बहुत सारे बुक्स आते हैं कि 5 ट्रिक्स टू डू द सेल्स, सेल्स में आप चैंपियन बन जाओ. आपको क्या लगता है, फिलिप कॉटलर को पढ़ के या फिर सेल्स की बुक्स पढ़ के जो अमेज़न पे है, वो एक तरीका सही है, या फिर मार्केट में घुस जाओ, हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस लो, वो सही तरीका है? आपको क्या लगता है सर?
इसमें इफ यू लुक एट द थिंग्स, नो, सो आई विल नॉट से द बुक्स आर बैड. The books are the sacred places where all the information is stored and you get the knowledge in like this.
Right.
Understanding one thing and actually going and doing something is different. So when if you are in the classroom, the professor will show you all the theories. He will tell you what all things are there theoretically. But if you want to experience those out, then you have to go outside in the field and do it. So in the classroom also there are role plays, simulations. We give you situations.
Right.
If you look at selling, one of the activity what we do in our college is called as salon activity. And I'm proud to share with everybody.
Because बहुत सारे बच्चों ने salon के बारे में जिक्र किया कैंपस पे.
Yes.
So I think उसके बारे में थोड़ा अगर आप बता दोगे तो अच्छा होगा.
अभी salon activity, like if you said, I mean, क्या बच्चा सीख सकता है? बच्चा सीख सकता है क्लास में, लेकिन वो बाहर जाके ना वो, I mean, बिगी बिल्ली बन जाए. बिगी बिल्ली नहीं बनना है तो उसको हम यहाँ सिखाएंगे 12 घंटे के लिए. 18 घंटा उसको सेल.
ये आइडिया किसका था salon का?
I mean, this idea I conceptualized along with my dean, and then today, I mean, I can boast of it. I can brag of it because I have got the bragging right. My college has got the bragging.
Absolutely.
We have sold goods worth 10 lakh rupees. All our students have sold goods worth 10 lakh rupees, and we have
on campus.
No, on campus.
अच्छा, बाहर जाके market में.
Yes, you have to go in the cold market. We make sure that you are not selling the product in the warm market or the hot market. You have to sell the product in our cold market. So you go out, you talk to unknown person. It is not only the money we are talking about. They have to make a presentation, and then and students also said, sir, we learn a lot of things. Earlier I was very introvert, but today if you talk about me, I have become extrovert. Now I have shed that inhibitions.
Nice.
So blend of theory and practical
is important.
Now some colleges, colleges or any institutions you can take, 70% is theory, 30% is
सर एमबीए में वही प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत ज्यादा थ्योरी पे ध्यान दिया जाता है।
नहीं, धीरे धीरे
टॉप में यहाँ पे क्या कल्चर है, थ्योरी ज्यादा या फिर प्रैक्टिकल?
No, we say minimum it has to be 50%. The cutoff for anybody is 50% is experiential. The student has to experience. So if there is something the student, now today we had got ordered, we are celebrating our salon activity, we have got Domino's person.
Okay.
Now we ask the Domino's person, I look for the opportunity. Domino's person, can you show your entire operations to my operations students? He said, well, you can send them.
Oh, nice.
Now my students learn everything about operations, but the moment they go in Domino's Pizza and 50 people are working there.
Okay.
So my students have exposure to all those
Absolutely.
process and what it happens. So they get an experience.
Absolutely. सर एक क्वेश्चन मैं पूछना चाहूंगा जो बच्चे मुझे काफी बार पूछते हैं कि सेल्स तो अलग होता है, मार्केटिंग भी अलग होता है, दोनों अलग अलग फंक्शन है।
Yes.
कुछ बच्चे हैं जो मेंटली बड़े स्ट्रांग है, मतलब एकेडमिकली भी बढ़िया है, बट वो कम्युनिकेशन में कहीं ना कहीं कम है, तो ये लोग कैसे इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं? क्या ये बच्चे सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग कर सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं।
अच्छा, आपके ऐसे बच्चे हैं यहाँ पे?
Yes, because selling is not only about communication.
हाँ, ये थोड़ा क्लियर कर दीजिएगा।
Because communication is, the majority of the communication is non-verbal communication.
Right.
If I try, see, if you can see,
like advertising.
हाँ, जैसे अभी मेरे हाथ में आंसू आ गया, मैंने कुछ बोला नहीं लेकिन आप समझ गए।
Yes.
So it is the non-verbal communication and the verbal communication, but the only way to learn this is by doing it. So if you are doing it in the class, if the professor or the pedagogy is compelling you to go through that, so you have to experience it. You make a presentation in the class. You go as a team to sell. You go as an individual to sell. You talk to the customer. You accept the rejection. So you learn all the skills.
सर एक मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछना था, बात होती है मार्केटिंग या सेल्स की, जैसे फिलिप कॉटलर है, वो IIM अहमदाबाद में भी पढ़ाया जाता है, वो अपने वेलिंगर में भी पढ़ाया जाता है,
बरोबर है।
आई एम वेरी श्योर यहाँ पे भी पढ़ाया जाता होगा,
ये इसके बगैर चलेगा ही नहीं, राइट?
तो एक जो फैकल्टी होता है, प्लेसमेंट का छोड़ दो, बट फैकल्टी हर जगह पे अच्छा ही पढ़ाया जाता है ना? हर भी स्कूल में फैकल्टी अच्छा, सो मुझे यही जानना है कि अगर कोई लर्निंग ओरिएंटेड बच्चा है तो क्या उसके लिए वो ब्रांड मैटर करता है अगर उसको सीखना है तो?
ब्रांड मैटर करता है when you want to enter.
हाँ.
See, if you want to enter, so what happens? I don't know you. What I will look at, you are from which college?
Right.
So if you are from a branded college, that is a proxy for your hard work. But the moment you are inside, what you are doing, what is your attitude, what is your aptitude,
makes sense.
And that's why you look at the entire world. The entire world does not run on few people from great colleges. It runs on plethora of people.
Very true.
And you find many people who are not educated also, but they are doing magic.
Yes.
So it is not the question of coming from branded. Of course, if you, I don't want to denigrate top colleges.
Yeah, absolutely.
However, these are the, islands of big things where I also aspire to go and teach and learn from there. But all said and done, I have realized in this 30 years, because I buy a product, of course, brand hai, so I will, but then I will evaluate.
Yes.
I will evaluate, and in fact, it is the reverse way. If you come from branded place, the evaluation is tougher because the expectation is high.
Exactly. So, sir, एक विवेकानंद बिजनेस स्कूल मार्केटिंग डोमेन में क्या डेवलपमेंट्स हो रही है? क्या अलग से कराया जा रहा है बच्चों को? सेल वगैरह के अलावा?
Yes. So that is the area I was
because why I am asking you this. सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग की कंपनीज यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी आती है, प्रोफाइल्स भी अच्छी मिलती है, पैकेजेस भी डिसेंट है, आरओआई निकल जाता है मेरे ख्याल से,
बरोबर, उससे ज्यादा निकलता है, आरओआई से ज्यादा निकलता है।
सो आप थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन
वी आर हिडन जेम। I see everybody will claim, but I realize, if you look in Mumbai or other colleges, it is a hidden gem.
8 लाख में 8-8.5 लाख में कहाँ MBA होता है सर आजकल के?
So it is like a hidden gem. The ROI is definitely very good. The exposure kind of a thing, exposure you get in our college. Of course, you are in Mumbai, so we have got that advantage. So you are in Mumbai, you can get these companies, you can get project works. You can go. We have guest lectures. By and large, we get the best of the person because it is Mumbai-based college.
True that. Fantastic.
I did not answer one question. How we are different?
Yes, please.
So if you look at technology, we are trying to put technology in all our subject. across. And in marketing, what we are doing, we are talking about marketing research. So we are not talking about the plain marketing research. Of course, those fundamentals are eternal; it will remain. But then, how technology is helping in collecting the data, in analyzing the data. So our students are not only doing manual calculations; they are doing everything on software. Second, there is a field called marketing analytics, marketing metrics. So earlier, what was happening? Marketing: who's buying, who's not buying. Who's my loyal customers? I don't know, but today you have got analytics. Through analytics, I really can go out and understand what is happening with the budget I am allocating, whether I am getting bang for my budget. So earlier it was not happening, but today because of technology, because of the computing power, because of the softwares, it is possible. And we as a college are the front runners, and all top B schools they are doing, we are also doing. And somewhere, I mean, we are not ahead of them, but we are not behind also.
Right. It means the quality education is guaranteed यहाँ पे.
100%.
That's for sure.
100%.
That's for
100%.
Cool है sir. Thank you so very much for giving some time. And I'm very sure ये वीडियो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग होगा, बच्चों को मार्केटिंग के बारे में पता चलेगा. And we'll make couple of more videos with you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you so much for that, sir.
I hope I have done justice to whatever.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks for watching.